Okay, I'm doing that.
Get off!
Go to the back and get a spare.
Get off! Another charge! Another charge!
호텔에서 나가달라는 단순한 요청이었습니다. 하지만 한 여자의 똥꼬집은 이 사소한 사건을 중범죄로 키워버렸습니다. 고작 낡은 화장품 파우치 하나 때문에 자신의 인생을 걸어버린 여성의 10분을 공개합니다.
Here is a lady. She doesn't have the room, but she's banging all the doors in a row, you know, like knocking the 221, I'm going to next door, 219, knocking to next door, like that.
So she's currently on the second floor?
Yeah.
What's going on?
They're refusing to let me get my belongings so I can leave.
Okay. You have belongings here?
I have belongings here.
In what
They're
room?
refusing to let me get them so I can leave.
Okay, in what room?
Huh?
In what room?
I was in room 239. The girl left. She left my stuff in there. I went back up there to try to grab it, and nothing is there.
In 239?
Yes. I have a juice couture wallet, everything, and they're never letting me get it.
Okay, let me talk to him real quick. Step to the side. Hey, what all did you leave in that room?
I left my juice couture wallet, and I think that's it.
Is it brown?
Yes.
Okay. Back up. So it's not a wallet. So
It's a pouch.
it's just makeup. What he has right there is makeup. That's all he got from me. Over
It's a
there.
pouch, and that was in my bag.
I understand, but all she has is makeup. So it's not whatever else in that room is not there no more. That's what he's saying. All he has is that stuff. So you're gonna have to figure out something else. What was in that room previously, but your stuff's not in there. So you're gonna have to leave.
I'm going in every single car is what's in it.
No, you're not. Because
그녀는 마치 대단한 보물이라도 잃어버린 것처럼 주식구띠르를 찾으며 난동을 부립니다. 사실 주식구띠르는 할인 매장에서 $30면 살 수 있는 철진한 유행 브랜드일 뿐입니다. 고작 그 낡은 지갑 하나 때문에 그녀는 경찰에게 맞서는 최악의 선택을 합니다.
hey, come here real quick. Ma'am, they don't want you on the property, so you gotta leave.
Okay, well, I need my stuff.
Ma'am. Come here real quick.
Don't touch me.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Stop.
I'm right here. I'm gonna check it out real quick.
Don't
first,
touch
and
me.
go
Stop.
back to the Walgreens.
Don't touch me.
You can't be on the property.
Don't touch.
Stop. You're gonna get arrested. Stop.
Seventh floor. I'm 23.
Let go of me.
Stop.
So you want to show me a route?
Put your hands on your pocket.
Let go.
경찰이 멈추라고 명령했을 때 도망가려고 하는 순간 상황은 단순 무단 침입에서 도주 및 공무집행 방해로 넘어갑니다. 지금 그녀는 체포된 건 아니지만 조사를 위해 구금된 상태입니다. 이때 경찰의 통제를 벗어나려 하면 수갑을 차게 됩니다.
23 from 20.
Wait, if I show me the tank.
My car is over here.
Stop.
I'm going to my vehicle.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're not.
25, one detained at 2031.
Stop.
Charles 2.
Stop.
Let go
25,
of
one
me.
detained at ET15.
Relax. You can't be on the property. Are you gonna leave? Are you gonna leave?
Once I get my car, yes.
Okay. Sit down. I'm gonna issue a ticket for criminal trespassing now.
Give me my
Stop.
car.
Where's your car at?
Right there.
Okay. Well, you can't leave now. Stop taking the cuffs. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Let go of me.
Stop. You're on my squad. You're gonna get a ticket.
No, I'm not.
There you are.
Just
Come on.
out with Infinity.
I need to get my stuff.
You're getting a ticket because you just refused to leave.
Yeah,
I told you verbally that you gotta leave.
I'm telling you, I'm leaving once I get my stuff.
What's your ID?
What do you need?
My ID is in my wallet.
You need me to hold something? What do you need me to do?
What's your name?
My ID is in my
What
wallet.
is your name? You don't tell me your name, you're gonna go to that station. Tell me what your name is.
21,
Sulema Masters. Now, can I please go get my ID out of my license, out of my car?
Your ID's in your car.
Yes.
You have your keys.
35. I talked
Yes.
to the guy over at the clubhouse. Said he
May I
needs
take the
to
keys so I get your wallet?
If I could get to him.
May I go in your pocket?
Clubhouse advised he didn't see anyone matching that description.
How do you spell your name?
Gulema. My fiance has my
Where are
keys.
your keys? I can just. They're not on you?
He has. Don't grab my arm.
Stop moving around.
Let go of my arm. Let go of my arm. Give me my phone.
I'm not getting nothing.
Stop. How do you spell your last name? This is making this more difficult than it has to be. Stop trying to take the cuffs off.
The cuffs are coming off because I'm getting my phone.
Or not. Stop.
Let go!
Stop. Let me double up.
Call my mom, please.
9105. Okay.
Call my mom.
이 여성은 성인이지만 자신의 행동에 법적으로 책임을 지는 대신 끊임없이 엄마를 찾으며 울부짖습니다. 심리학에서는 이를 퇴행이라고 합니다. 감당하기 힘든 현실의 공포로부터 도망치기 위해 보호받던 어린아이의 상태로 심리적 후퇴를 하는 방어 기제입니다.
Mom, let go of me! Let go of
What
me!
are you doing? Stop.
Yes, we're not so sure.
Because I'm trying to get my stuff out of my car.
Is there a
Let
lock on
go of me!
Can you stop? What are you doing?
Let go of me! Get off of me! Get off of me!
Stop.
Get off me!
625 CTL.
Get off me!
Stop. Okay.
Stop it!
Okay.
Stop it!
You're not doing that.
Get off!
Go to the back and get a spinner.
Get off!
돌이킬 수 없는 강을 건넜습니다. 경찰관에게 침을 뱉는 행위. 이것은 단순한 모욕이 아닙니다. 미국 법률상 경찰관에 대한 가중폭행으로 분류되어 징역형까지 선고될 수 있는 명백한 중범죄입니다. 이 순간 그녀는 호텔 투숙객에서 중범죄자로 전락했습니다.
Stop.
Get off!
Yeah, I got one. Okay. I know where mine's at. You know, you're good. Yeah.
Get off!
You're going to jail now.
Get off!
Stop.
Get off me! Where's my mom?
Stop.
Okay, she needs to come on. Get off me!
And I'll be spitting off.
Get off me! Get off!
Stop. Don't even try to do that.
Get off me! Get off me! I need her to hurry up. I need them off of me. I can't feel my wrist. I need them off of me.
Relax. Relax. Relax your
I
wrist.
need them off of me. I cannot feel my arm. I need them off. Get off! I can't feel the circulation in my arm. Move! You gotta go over there. Move! Move!
Stop.
Get off of me!
Stop.
Get off!
Stop.
Stop my shoulder pop! My shoulder pop, please! Stop my shoulder pop! My shoulder pop! My shoulder pop!
25.
Let go of me!
30, 10-4.
Let go! Get off! Get off!
Stop. All right.
Make it on my
Get off! That's my stuff on the floor!
Go get it. Just get inside the spot.
No!
Make sure they copy the text to you.
Sit inside.
No!
Sit inside.
No!
Stop.
Sector 21%.
Get off me!
Here, unbuckle this.
Yeah.
No, you're good. You're good.
Can you use
Get
there?
off!
Stop.
Get off, you pieces of Get off!
Stop trying to take them off.
Let go of me! Away from me!
Stop or you're gonna get more charged.
Where?
Stop kicking. You're on the.
You and you, you stupid pricks! Oh, y'all got me up. Oh, y'all got me so up.
Stop that or you're gonna catch more charges.
How
right
I'm
now.
charging? Kiss my ass.
경찰은 발길질을 할 때마다 혐의가 추가된다고 분명히 경고합니다. 하지만 그녀는 멈추지 않습니다. 오히려 이 상황을 즐기는 것처럼 보이기까지 합니다.
Stop that right
Kiss
now.
my ass!
Stop that or you're gonna catch.
You're gonna catch another charge! You're gonna catch another charge! Another charge! Another charge!
보십시오. 경찰의 경고를 앵무새처럼 따라하며 노래까지 부릅니다. 이것은 정상적인 성인의 모습이 아닙니다. 자신이 저지른 범죄의 무게를 감당하지 못해 철없는 어린아이의 상태로 완전히 도망쳐버린 모습입니다.
Another
What
charge!
are you doing? You're acting like a child.
I don't give a
Sit down. Shut up.
You shut up.
Look at you. Look what you're doing.
You shut up.
It's embarrassing.
Shut up.
Extra 8 holder.
Shut up. Shut up.
12 years old.
Shut up. Worry about how old I am. That's what you need to worry about. How old you are.
I'm not acting like a child.
No, you're acting like a stupid.
Right.
That's what you're acting like.
Right.
You act like somebody's scared of me in handcuffs. Like I can't get these from in front of me. From behind me. Ooh. Stop. No! Shut the up! That's fine. I know how to get out of these. It's okay. No big deal. I need these off.
Yeah, that works actually, huh?
I'm not gonna run. I need these off.
Pull up as close to that door as possible, huh?
I need these off. I'm not going to run. I need them off.
이미 체포된 상태에서 안 도망갈 테니 수갑을 풀어달라고 협상합니다. 현실 검증력이 완전히 상실된 상태입니다. 그녀는 여전히 자신이 때를 쓰면 이 상황을 통제할 수 있다고 착각하고 있습니다.
I need these off of my wrist. I cannot feel my wrist.
They're coming off right now in a minute.
Okay, well, I need them off now. I can't feel my wrist. Can you please get these off? I cannot feel my wrist. Please take them off. I can't feel my wrist.
결국 줄에 많은 무단 침입, 공무집행방해, 그리고 경찰관 가중폭행이라는 무거운 혐의로 기소되었습니다. 자존심을 세우느라 경찰의 지시를 무시한 대가는 너무나도 컸습니다. 그녀가 처음에 알겠습니다 하고 나갔다면 오늘 밤은 유치장이 아닌 집에서 편안하게 잠들었을 텐데 말이죠. 범죄 읽어주는 심리학자였습니다. 영상이 재밌었다면 구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정 부탁드립니다.